What's up, all my fine girls? No pimple is Whit here again within the video. So you guys, I am back today with yet again another fragrance video, and today's gonna be really fun. So as you guys know, I have done quite a bit of some Shein hauls here on my channel. I was into Shein before Shein really took off, okay? Like 2019, your girl was doing them hauls, and then somehow 2020, 2021, like Shein is just this huge thing now. What we see here in 2023, like it just took off. So you guys, I was on Shein, you know, I was just, you know, scrolling, whatever. And somehow, some way, Shein is now selling perfumes. When I tell you Shein is like the online version of Walmart, they have everything. You need a car, Shein got you. It may not get you to point A to point B, but best believe you can get you a car for $20 on Shein. You need your house, they can get you a house too. Like Shein literally has everything. So when I saw perfume, and not just perfume, but I saw a perfume that is literally a spot-on dupe from just the bottle to really popular high-end brands, I was like, you know what, that might be a fun video to do. Like, let's see what these perfumes are hitting for. So these perfumes range for just a couple of dollars. Like, I got 4 here today to, you know, try out and review for you guys. They are all under $10 each, probably under $8 each. And so I picked out 4 perfumes that I have the actual perfume here. So I'm going to compare and contrast to see if they really smell like the real deal. So this is going to be a first impression. I have not smelled any of these. I've had them for about a couple days now. I've been holding off to do this video. So let me stop rambling. Let's go and get into it. So the first one that, you know, came across my, you know, that made me want to do this video was I saw this bottle. Now, obviously, this is the bottle that the Parfums of Marley come in. And I was just like, not Shein making a dupe for this. So I was like, I want to try it out and I want to make a video. So I have here Delina Exclusif. I want to say they're trying to replicate Delina. So what I do have here is Initio Atomic Rose. This smells just like Delina. I just happen to have this one. I don't have Delina. When I was trying to buy my pick between this one and the original Delina and Delina Exclusive, I kind of like this one a little bit more. But eventually, I mean, I still wanted that scent. So I got Atomic Rose. It smells just like it. Price range, they're both all expensive. So anyways, I got off on a tangent. Either way it goes, what I'm trying to get at is that I know what Delina smells like. I smelled it in store, the actual perfume, and that's how I know Atomic Rose smells similar. So that's what I'm using as a comparison today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stop rambling. So first and foremost, before we even get to the scent, y'all, this is the bottle right here, and I want to kind of compare the 2 bottles. So as you guys can see, the tassel on the actual Parfums of Marley, it has 2 of these like little, you know, stringy things, while this has 1. Also, do y'all see the cap? The cap here looks much more luxurious, looks like better quality, versus this is like, it definitely feels cheap. Even like, I mean, anybody who's actually held this bottle would know, like, if you were to fill this fake one, that yeah, this ain't the real deal. But the actual bottle itself, now this, I would say it's, they did a pretty decent job in getting it close to this. They feel about the same as far as weight, but the caps definitely give it away, and then the tassel as well too. So now let's go ahead and smell this. Let's go ahead and spray some. Ooh. Y'all, it smells like Delina. It smells like Delina. Let me go to my Shein app and see how much exactly I paid for this. So for this one, I spent $6.12. Y'all, this, I mean, y'all, Shein might actually just be onto something. Okay, so listen, I'm not somebody that's crazy about dupes here, but you know what? I'm not somebody that's crazy about dupes when it comes to perfumes. For the most part, I really kind of like to own the real thing, like certain perfumes. Like there's some stuff that's like, you know, I happen to buy it and I realize you smell like something that I also had on my wish list or that I wanted. Like, I mean, well, I just had you, like, for example, Atomic Rose. When I had sampled this, I realized it smelled like Delina, and I was like, well, I just wouldn't buy this one. I'm gonna be honest, I just really didn't want 2 pink bottles that look the same. The only difference between this and Delina is the fact that this has Delina Exclusive on there. So that's really kind of the reason why. And I just wanted an Initio perfume. But for the most part, I'm not somebody that likes to buy dupes when it comes to my perfumes. If it happens, it happens, but it's not like I'm intentionally trying to do it. But anyways, if you're somebody, you know, you've been wanting to have this bottle in your collection and you don't want to spend, I think the actual Delina is around $325, $350 now, like, and you know, prices just keep going up. Shein might just got you, okay? Now, I haven't obviously done a wear test, but I mean, it's holding up on this little paper. Let me try to spray it on my hand. Let's see how it smells on the skin. I mean, it smells close. Now, obviously, if you smell the actual real Delina or any just actually a little more pricier perfume, it is mastered better. Obviously, this one, you could tell that it's a little bit cheaper, but I mean, it's close enough. So if you're someone, you just want this cute little pink bottle, you kind of want the scent, but you don't want to fork out the money for the actual real thing, by all means, have at it. Like, I mean, you know, so there's this one. And I would say it's pretty close. Okay, so the next one that I have here, I have another popular one. So I got, and this is a small bottle, I didn't realize. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Baccarat, sorry, is it the X-Straight? Yes, the X-Straight. And so, as you guys know, I have the actual Baccarat. I don't have the X-Straight. They smell very similar. I think like there's 1 or 2 additional notes in the X-Straight. So, and I've also smelled the X-Straight in store before, so I have an idea of what it smells like. So let's go ahead and see what this one smells like. I'm like eager to see what this is hitting for. So let's see here. Oops, this is so small. Y'all, it smells like Baccarat. Y'all, this smells like Baccarat. Let me spray it on my hand or my body. Y'all, it smells like Baccarat. Now, the names, that's another thing. So the names, this one right here is called Aphrodite's Secret Parfum Eau de Toilette. That's what this one is. And this one is retailing for $5.07. And I'm listing off the discount because I did not even pay full price. Like, you know, Shein, you can always get a discount. So, yeah, I paid $5.07 for this. And I mean, you guys, it smells like Baccarat. It smells like the real thing. Obviously, like I said earlier with the Delina dupe or whatever, you could tell that it's a little bit on the cheaper side. You know, usually these perfumes are better mixed and mastered, but I mean, they do smell alike. Now, as far as longevity, I'm not too sure about that because this all right here is a first impression, and I mean, I'm not expecting anything from it. They were no more than like $8. Like, of course, it's not going to have the projection. Well, listen, the projection on a $300 bottle of Baccarat and Delina, it better project. Like, I'm not too upset if these don't. So, next one up that I have here, I have one more after this one that I'm about to show you guys. So, I got me a dupe to the Lancome La Vie Belle. So, this is a dupe right here. This is a real thing. And so, this one is called La Vida es Bella L'Eau de Parfum. Shein ain't shit. Like, Shein does not care the fact that they got lawsuits. Baby, they still gonna fulfill your order. They're gonna make sure it gets to you on time. Like, they are not worried about any of that. This is crazy. Like, how are these people still in business? Like, they are literally copying everybody. Like, how, I don't know, but you know what? Let's see what this smells like. It smells like La Vie Belle. Let me go ahead and spray La Vie Belle on the real thing on this paper over here to compare and contrast, because this is newer to my collection, so I'm not too familiar with this one fully. Yeah, the real thing just smells so much better. It's close. It is close. They smell very similar. It is close to it, but I'm gonna rock with the real thing. But you know what? If you don't want to spend that amount of money, which I feel like now La Vie Belle is a little bit cheaper. It's been out for some time compared to like some other ones. So let's see, how much did I pay for that? I paid $6.41 for this right here. And it's not too bad. It smells very close to it. All right, so I have one more to show you guys. And they have a lot of dupes there. Like, I mean, a lot. Like, I mean, if you're somebody, you want some perfumes, there's a lot of scents that you want to try out, but you don't want to spend the money, but you kind of want something like it. I mean, you can look into Shein for this. So, let me put this down right here. The next one I have here is going to be a dupe for the Giorgio Armani C Passione. So this is it. So this is a real one. This is a fake one. This is called Story of, well, it's called C Very Nice Story of Love. So let us see what this is smelling like. So I'm going to spray the fake one first on here. smelling anything like that. I feel like this is going to be one that you're going to have to be very, very heavy-handed with, because no, I'm not smelling it. I'm not really smelling much on the paper. Let me spray the real thing over here. Yeah, I can smell something on this one. I'm not smelling nothing. Let me spray this on the back of my hand. Let's see. They tried. They tried. I can see it wanting to be something, but honestly, I'm not smelling anything. I'm really getting like it, like initially, like when it comes out, I smell like it's very faint. Then the alcohol comes rushing through, and then I smell nothing. Yeah, no to this one. So when it comes to these dupes, I feel like they did the best, honestly, on the fake Delina. Okay, they did a pretty good job at this one, especially with the bottle, like the actual bottle, not the little tassels and not the cap. They did a pretty good job with the bottle, getting it close to that one. And then I would say followed up would be the Baccarat dupe. I would say they got pretty close to the scent, and it actually, you know, something comes out. Followed by the Lancome. This one, they tried. I smell something with this one. And then this one, altogether, is a no. I do not smell anything for the most part. Yeah, I'm smelling my hand. I'm smelling the lotion that I have put on my hand. So with this one, like, I'm not smelling anything, and I spent the most on this one. This one was the most expensive out of the three. This one was $8.69 with the discount. So absolutely do not recommend. I mean, personally for me, I honestly would just recommend you save your money and buy the real perfumes of anything that you're interested in. But if you are going to try out Shein perfumes, this one, do not even bother wasting your money on. Like, I mean, this was just a waste of $8. Like, it smells like air. Like nothing. There's nothing there. Yeah, that was it. You know, just a pretty little fun video. Let me know if you guys want me to try out any other things. Let me know if you've tried any of Shein perfumes and do you like them. You know, this was fun. These are not going to be added to my collection. I don't think I can return them, so I'm going to see about giving them away to somebody. But I just wanted to go ahead and, you know, try it out, see what it was, you know, what it was like how close did they actually get to the real thing. And I would say Shein did a decent enough job to do it. So yeah, that is that with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.